To repair or not to repair, that is the question. Whether 'tis nobler in the mind to suffer the squeaks, rattles of outrageous mileage, or to take arms against the sea of wrenches, and by opposing end them. To fix, to pay, perchance to weep. Aye, there is the rub. To repair or not to repair? The case for repairing versus the case to just letting it go. Here at DeBoer's Auto, it is a Hamletian question, and we get it all the time. Customers asking us, should we repair a vehicle? Should we not repair a vehicle? What are the options that they have? How can we help them walk them through it? Here at DeBoer's Auto, we're not going to tell somebody that they should invest in something that they shouldn't. We leave it up to the customer. But there is a way to evaluate it so that it's beneficial to you as the customer, so that this particular decision doesn't seem so gothically scary. So let's talk about the case for repair. If you're going to repair your vehicle and you're going to make sure that you invest into it, you need to know your plan. So is this vehicle getting you to and from what you need to do? Is it generally a vehicle that you've had for a while? You know what's been replaced on it. You know how reliable it is for you. You're familiar with it. That is something that makes a big difference in this decision. A $2,000 investment can far outweigh the cost of vehicle payments in 8 to 12 months for a new car. And so investing that $2,000 and planning for that vehicle to last for 2 years is going to leave you in the green compared to getting a new vehicle. The case for moving on, right? Should you let this go? Should you not repair this vehicle? That's really important to weigh too, because you're still going to need to know what your purpose for this vehicle is. Do you need this vehicle to last for you for 2 years? Are you going to drive this vehicle until it dies? Is this vehicle super important to you? You won't move on if everything else is positive per se, but if you don't know if this vehicle is reliable because you've only had it for a little bit, you might be a second owner. If there's major issues, which means it's a higher cost tag, you're talking about an $8,000 or more repair. The vehicle might be unreliable even before you invest this. It might not be comfortable for you. It might not fit your needs and your purpose. That is the way that we decide if the case for moving on is appropriate. So the answer is written in the data and the safety and your particular goals. So it's really important to understand what your goals are, if the vehicle is safe and reliable for you, if it's comfortable for you, and if realistically this particular vehicle is going to be economical for the next few years. Here at DeBoer's Auto, we like to help evaluate these decisions all the time. So come on down, have us take a look at your vehicle. If you're concerned about whether or not you should repair or not repair, let us help you. We look forward to servicing you soon and helping you live life uninterrupted.